Let's talk about more important formulas related to the definite integral. There are two most important formulas which you can use very frequently, not only in this chapter of integral calculus. Wherever the integration comes, wherever the definite integral comes, you can use these formulas very frequently. Let's understand. These two formulas are basically the basic understanding of the integration. Whenever you are having integration minus a to a fx dx, always you need to remember you should not use the direct integration. Whenever the integration minus a to a fx dx is given to you, you should not do the integration directly. Rather, going for the direct integration, you should think first of all whether the function is even or odd. So what you need to do, you need to think whether the function is odd or even. If your function is odd, how you will identify whether the function is odd or not? So in this case, f of minus x, when you will put in the value of the function fx, if at the place of x अगर आप माइनस एक्स पुट करते हो और फंक्शन की वैल्यू माइनस ऑफ एफ एक्स आएगी तो फंक्शन ऑड कंसीडर किया जाएगा, और अगर फंक्शन ऑड कंसीडर किया जाएगा तो रिजल्ट आएगा जीरो. देन यू आर चेकिंग whether the function is even or not. So in this case, when you are putting at the place of x minus x, तो f of minus x रखने पे अगर फंक्शन की वैल्यू fx आती है, it means function is nothing but even only. And when the function is even, then your answer should be twice 0 to a integration fx dx. Remember, यहाँ हो minus a to a fx dx and it will become twice 0 to a fx dx. It is very important. इस पे बहुत सारे गेट में क्वेश्चंस बने हैं. Now when I will talk about one more thing related to this one, integration 0 to 2a fx dx, when we are having in this condition, we need to check when we are putting f of 2a minus x equals to minus fx. मतलब अगर फंक्शन में x की जगह f of 2a minus x रखते हो और अगर वैल्यू आती है माइनस ऑफ fx और रिजल्ट अगर ऐसा हुआ तो रिजल्ट आ जाएगा डायरेक्टली जीरो. एंड व्हेन यू आर गेटिंग हियर बाय पुटिंग इन द फंक्शन x एट द प्लेस ऑफ x, अगर आपने रखा f of 2a minus x और फंक्शन में वैल्यू आई fx, मतलब वैल्यू रखने के बाद रिजल्ट आया fx, so then you will say the result will be here twice 0 to a fx dx only. Thank you.